at his community watch in the city of San Bernardino, I believe. I'm doing this Metrolink. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. What city is this?
It's Colton. Why?
Colton? Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
I thought I was in San Bernardino, but I wasn't sure.
Yeah, it's you on the border. Mark.
Right on the border, huh? Thank you. This is a Metrolink.
Why you guys filming? What are you filming?
Oh, the Metrolink? Here's a van that doesn't want to come out. Over here. It's seen us and it doesn't want to come out.
What time is this facility close? Down on third. Right? Excuse me? This is a public easement though, right? Well, yeah, for employees. Public for employees? So, man, what do they see?
Isn't employee the opposite of public? And that van won't come out. That van was gonna come out. That van was gonna come out, but it didn't. It went back in. It's parked there.
Can you tell me what time it closes?
It's a little scared. Doesn't want to come out yet.
And what's funny is we're in the open. We're all dressed decent. We're not dirty. They're acting very suspicious. And they're getting their own interaction over there. So I'm gonna come over here. You know, you don't want the videos being the same. I'm out here more or less to back them up and help them give them a little bit of exposure. And they told me that that's not what they're out here for. So I have much respect. And they didn't care about coming out here. And they just want to collaborate. There's mutual respect both ways. So just 3 guys out. Enjoying our freedom.